Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of wood craft projects for your home and turn wood craft to income. Today's narration, from cash to consistent profit, craft ideas that sell fast, is about the real shift that happens when handmade passion becomes repeatable income. It's not about chasing trends for one lucky sale, and it's not about flooding your workshop with complicated projects that look impressive but never move. It's about understanding why certain craft ideas sell quickly, how buyers think when they spend their money, and how you can design your work so that cash flow becomes steady rather than unpredictable. When crafts move fast, confidence grows. When confidence grows, you make better decisions. And when decisions are aligned with the market, your craft stops feeling like a gamble and starts behaving like a business. Many makers begin with talent and enthusiasm, but profit comes later, almost accidentally. They build something beautiful, hope it sells, and repeat the process without clarity. This narration is meant to gently shift that mindset. Fast-selling craft ideas are not shortcuts or low-quality compromises. They are thoughtful designs built around function, emotion, price comfort, and repeat demand. When you understand those forces, you stop guessing and start building intentionally. And that intention is what turns small cash wins into consistent profit over time. The first thing to understand is that fast-selling crafts solve a simple, visible problem. Buyers rarely purchase a handmade item because it is technically impressive. They purchase because it fits easily into their life. A wooden coffee table that fits perfectly into a small living room sells faster than an oversized artistic centerpiece. A compact shoe rack sells faster than a complex shelving system. Speed of sale comes from clarity of use. When someone looks at your piece and instantly understands where it belongs and why they need it, friction disappears. Your craft stops needing explanation, and that alone accelerates sales more than any marketing trick. Another powerful driver is that buyers pay faster for items they already understand. This is why familiar furniture types move quickly. Coffee tables, side tables, wall shelves, stools, plant stands, and storage benches sell consistently because people already know how to use them. When you innovate within familiarity rather than reinventing form completely, you reduce the mental effort required to buy. This does not mean your work must be boring. It means the function is familiar while the design carries your unique signature. That balance is where fast sales live. Pricing plays a quiet but decisive role in speed. Fast-selling craft ideas sit in a psychologically comfortable price range. If an item is too cheap, buyers question quality. If it's too expensive, they hesitate. The sweet spot is where the buyer feels they are upgrading their space without making a life decision. This is why small furniture and functional decor perform so well. A handcrafted wooden nightstand or a minimalist wall shelf often sells faster than a full dining set, even if the dining set has higher margins. Speed favors lower commitment purchases that still feel meaningful. One of the most reliable paths from cash to consistent profit is repetition with refinement. Products that sell fast are designed to be repeated efficiently. The first time you make a piece, it may take hours of adjustment. By the 5th or 10th time, your hands move automatically, your material waste drops, and your time per unit shrinks. This is where profit quietly appears. When you design a product that you can build again and again without losing quality or enthusiasm, you create a system rather than a one-off success. Systems create consistency, and consistency creates income stability. Wooden coffee tables are a classic example of this principle in action. A simple rectangular or round coffee table made with solid wood or laminated boards, clean legs, and a durable finish sells quickly because it anchors a living space. Buyers see it as both functional and decorative. If you offer it in 2 or 3 sizes or finishes, you increase appeal without increasing complexity. Each variation feels new to the customer, but familiar to you as the maker. Over time, you are not just selling tables, you are selling reliability. Another fast-moving category is compact storage. Storage sells because it reduces stress, and stress relief is one of the strongest purchase motivators. Wooden shoe racks, entryway benches with storage, and wall-mounted organizers move quickly because they promise order. These items don't need aggressive marketing. The buyer imagines a cleaner space the moment they see the product. When your craft taps into that emotional relief, sales accelerate naturally. Plant stands and small indoor furniture also convert quickly. They sit at the intersection of decor and function, and they appeal to buyers who want to personalize their space without permanent changes. A well-proportioned wooden plant stand adds warmth and life to a room, and buyers often purchase more than one. This creates an opportunity for bundled sales, where consistent profit comes not from one large transaction, but from multiple small ones that add up. Consistency also depends on material choices. Fast-selling crafts use materials that are easy to source and stable in price. When your raw material fluctuates wildly or requires special sourcing, your pricing becomes unstable. That instability slows sales and complicates planning. Choosing commonly available wood types and finishes allows you to price confidently and deliver reliably. Buyers value reliability more than novelty when it comes to furniture and home decor. Design simplicity is another underestimated factor. Simple designs age better and sell longer. Trends come and go, but clean lines and balanced proportions remain relevant. When you design with longevity in mind, your product doesn't expire after one season. It continues to sell quietly, month after month, becoming a dependable source of income rather than a short-lived hit. Time is a hidden cost that separates hobby income from business income. Fast-selling ideas respect your time as much as the buyer's money. If a piece takes too long to build, even strong demand won't translate into sustainable profit. Smart makers design projects that fit into realistic production schedules. From cash to consistent profit, the journey is built on understanding buyers, respecting your time, and designing with intention. Fast-selling craft ideas are not about rushing your work. They are about aligning your creativity with real demand. When your designs solve simple problems, fit familiar spaces, and are priced thoughtfully, sales become smoother and more predictable. Over time, those smooth sales turn into stable income, and stable income gives you the freedom to grow both creatively and financially. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.